Graphenizer 3 G3 Instant Mileage Booster. Graphenizer 3 G3 removes the bacteria from inside the fuel tank. It separates the fuel molecules. It breaks the chain of hydrocarbon bonds, removes sludge and improves density in the fuel quality. It makes fuel burn almost completely. It instantly shows increased mileage in digital meters when added to fuel tanks. Add 1 ml to 1 liter of petrol or diesel every time you refill your tank. It increases extra mileage up to 50% on highways. Graphenizer 3 can be added to all types of petrol and diesel vehicles of 2 and 3 wheelers, cars, trucks, JCBs, boats, and all other heavy machineries as well. Graphenizer, a revolutionizing fuel and engine oil additive with instant result. Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. It is harder than diamond and 200 times stronger than steel. It cools down the overheat instantly as it is a heat conductor and more flexible than rubber. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by FISIC. Graphenizer, a miracle fuel and engine oil additive, provides complete engine treatment solution to minimize the cost and maximize the performance and safety of the engine for all vehicles of petrol and diesel with instant results. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp